TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. And we got markets yet again opening in what's to be record territory. S&P futures up 11 points right now, trading at 33.27. We got the NASDAQ futures up 44 at 91.78. Dow Jones up more than 110 points, trading 29,351 as we inch closer to that 30,000 mark in the Dow. 10-year yield up a bit, 1.84%. We got some action in oil and gold as well. We'll start things off this morning looking at the volatility index. 1211, very little volatility as you would expect priced into this market as we make new highs on, is this the 8th consecutive day, I believe? Pretty remarkable. We'll jump over to the charts. We'll start things off with the Dow. As you can see, we climb higher right from the closing bell yesterday. There you are at about 4 p.m. Most of the overnight session trading higher. Even at 8:30, we got a little bit of a pop as well. Currently trading 29,335. NASDAQ 100, higher territory for the overnight session as well. We're making session, pre-market session, that is, highs right now, 91.77. S&P 500, 33.26, quite a number across the board. We had housing starts coming out at 8:30 this morning. 16, why don't I pull this over right now, because this is driving some of the action you see at 8:30 on the charts. 16.9% in December to a 13-year high for housing starts. So those playing into what we're seeing on the charts. There's your 8:30 volatility in the S&Ps. There's your pop as well in the NASDAQ 100 and the Dow on those numbers. Crude oil climbing towards $59 this morning. There's your action yesterday. Quite an acceleration from about 7:30 until noon. From there, we've just kind of been hanging out, but this morning inching towards 59. The gold contract back above 15.60. Gold with some volatility as well in the last hour, now back to 15.54. And the euro-US dollar, we have some dollar strength, euro weakness, euro trading at 110.98. In terms of what else you have happening in the market, China saying its economy grew at 6.1% in 2019, in line with expectations. China's GDP grew 6% on year in the fourth quarter, according to the National Bureau of Statistics. Stay tuned, folks. We got Larry Pesavento coming up at line 9 o'clock. I'll be back at 10 o'clock. Then, of course, we have Fast Market by TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim at 11. Steve Rhodes at 1 o'clock. Dave White at 2 o'clock. And we have a treat. Teddy Kegstad filling in for Tom this afternoon, talking Forex at 3 p.m. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.